Get excited about the 2015 Chrysler Town Country. This 7-passenger van still has less than 10,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chrysler's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.